Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we will learn about a very beautiful traditional Indian craft known as Blue Pottery Art, which comes from Jaipur in Rajasthan. Blue pottery is influenced and inspired by Eurasian, Islamic and to a certain extent Chinese pottery. This art form was very popular in Central Asia, Middle East, and it was used to decorate bathroom tiles, floor tiles and mosques. During the 17th century Mughal invasion, blue pottery finally came to India. The key ingredients used to create this art are fuller earth, which is multani mitti, quartz, borax scum and water. Even though this is considered as pottery, it doesn't use the traditional pottery ingredient clay. It is categorized as ceramic because it uses stone in its production. The traditional process is very labor intensive and time consuming, but blue pottery needs dry and warm conditions and a lot of sun, and that is why Rajasthan is the perfect place with the perfect conditions for the evolution of this art form. Did you know that blue pottery received a GI tag in the year 2009? Such a proud moment. The blue color in blue pottery comes from cobalt dioxide. The typical motifs are florals, geometric patterns, animals, birds, and sometimes even Lord Ganesha and Goddess Durga are portrayed. I have tried to create my own version of blue pottery on a cardboard, so it's not a traditional blue pottery, but it's a beautiful painting representing our culture and heritage. Materials I have used for this painting are base is a thick cardboard. You can also use a canvas board or an MDF board instead. I have used Fevicryl molded to create the rugged edges of this cardboard. And for colors, I have used cerulean blue for the background and white for the foreground. I start by taking a square cardboard of 8 into 8 inches. Then I will take Fevicryl molded clay to create rugged edges. This is an optional step, but I really wanted this to look like a pottery product, and that's why I used clay to cover the edges. There is no need of perfection, just go with the flow. We will repeat the same on all four sides of the cardboard. This is how it looks now. Now I will take a carbon paper and I will trace a very simple design of blue pottery. This is a geometric pattern and that's why I wanted to trace it, but you can also draw freehand. Now we will start coloring. I will color the entire background with cerulean blue color. You can use any blue that you have in acrylic shades. The trace design is still little bit visible to me, so I'm able to paint over it. I'm taking a thin brush and using white acrylic color to paint this design. There are places where it's covered with blue and I can't see the design anymore, but I'm just going with my gut feeling and painting it out. Art is all about self expression, so there's no need for striving for perfection. If one petal, one flower, one geometric design is here and there, it's okay. Just paint it out. Similar to the first one, we will paint out the rest of the motifs. I will show you in high speed now. Our super easy blue pottery art is now ready. Tell me in comments if you like it.